Are you up for a bigger outer display on Galaxy Z Flip 5 or bigger battery on Galaxy Z Flip 5? Then I have a great news for you as Samsung is going big with the Z Flip 5. And to say the least, the update from Z Flip 4 to Z Flip 5 will be a big update. As per reliable tipster Ice Universe, Galaxy Z Flip 5 will going to come with a bigger outer display. But how much? As per him, the outer display will be around 3.4 inches. Crazy, right? As last year Flip 4 was only 1.9 inches. So this is a way big update we are getting on the Flip 5, and now Flip 5 can easily compete with the Apple Find N2 Flip. Also, the inner display will be narrower than before. He also says the outer display will cover most of the area. Samsung finally did it with the Flip 5. Before moving on, make sure to subscribe for more updates. Things didn't stop here. Another source claims that Galaxy Z Flip 5 are going to come with a bigger battery. According to Anthony, due to a new hinge design, we are going to get a bigger battery on Z Flip 5. As a guess, we might see 3900 mAh battery on Z Flip 5 instead of 3700 on Flip 4. You guys might be thinking, how long will it last? Well, to say the least, it will be around 2 to 3 hours more than Z Flip 4, and there's another reason why it lasts this much longer. The new processor, Snapdragon Gen 2. Let me know in the comments, are you guys happy with the bigger outer display on Z Flip 5? Samsung is going to use the same processor which is used in Galaxy S23 series. This version of a processor is overclocked at 3.36 GHz and comes with 40% CPU power efficiency and 45% GPU power efficiency. So we can see some great battery numbers on Z Flip 5. You can see the battery life of Galaxy S23 as a reference though. For now, it is not confirmed whether we are going to see any camera update. As a safe guess, we might see the same dual camera setup just like the last year's Z Flip 4, where we get 12 megapixel main shooter and 12 megapixel ultra wide. Samsung is planning to launch Flip 5 in August along with Fold 5, Tab S9 and Watch 6. If you guys want to see the big update coming in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.